Friday, welcome back to the sewing room. I have just put the sewing table away. I've got all the projects over there. We have taken the paper covering off of the cutting table and actually unrolled the lino on it, and we've come up, because to begin with they were saying that we should stick it down with this industrial strength spray glue, which I have been really reluctant to use in this vicinity without tenting everything first, because I do not want this aerosolized glue to get stuck on any of my fabric or any of my paper crafting stuff. But we've rolled out the lino on top, haven't we, Mum? And we've kind of come to the conclusion that we're going to treat it like you would if you were covering a chair cushion. So we're going to staple it from opposite corners so that the lino stays taut. We are going to put the, I think it's like a rounded trim around the edge to make sure that if there are staples or nails, that they don't get caught on fabric when it drapes over the edges. That means that the lino will be removable much easier than if we completely industrial glued it down, kind of thing. And it means it's more likely to get done as well. It's been a year, nearly a year. So we've got the lino on top of the table, which means I'll be able to do my sewing room tour. Oh, Mum's bag's making it big for freedom. Do my sewing room tour very soon. So we are down here today trying to get the lining of Mum's bag done, although I am interrupting the process by talking to you guys. We're trying to get her second bag done so that she has an idea of how the lining goes together, so she can troubleshoot or help troubleshoot during the retreat. I am going to pick Jojo up at 5. I'm going to pick Natasha up at 6. Dad is currently out shopping for the grocery list for the menu that we put together for the weekend, so it's all very exciting. It's all very exciting. And I got my first birthday card as well this morning, which was lovely. So I'm going to stop waffling at you, help Mum get this lining sewn, and I will report back later. It is much later on in the day, so I've just been over to the West Wight to pick up Jojo and dropped her off at the hotel. Just about to head out and pick up Natasha to bring her back here along with Jojo so we can have dinner here. Mum's going to the theatre, so it's just Jojo, Tatty, me and Dad. I left Mum unsupervised and she's got an almost finished bag and it's looking very lovely. Very lovely indeed. So we went for extra pockets, so there's the elasticated pockets back there, so there's a zipper pocket there and then another little slip pocket there. So yeah, it's looking so pretty. I am so glad that I told her that she had to use these panels for the outside of a bag. They were too pretty for an interior panel. So yeah, it's looking really rather good. So we still need to put the straps on and make the shoulder strap because the hardware hadn't arrived when we actually sewed it, so that's the last. Oh, and put on the little tab to the end of the zip to finish that off. But the bag's almost done. But like I say, Mum's going to the theatre tonight, so we're not going to get that done this evening. And I am probably not going to talk to you again today because, as I say, I'm just about to go out and pick up the rest of the peeps. I hope you've enjoyed the very little waffle that there has been today, and I will see you tomorrow for more exciting waffle with more exciting peeps.
Am I right to put my cup on here?
Yes, and there are coasters like dotted around everyone because everyone keeps sending me coasters. I've got my ones from Eric here. And then I've got my Jojo one here as well, actually. Aww. Would you like your Jojo? Oh. And my Eric one.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I think this was Chris actually.
But still, you delivered it. I have turned that on as well.
You can edit a lot of this out.
Okay, we're gonna have to space this way. So are we in? When I was going to say we're in high order, but no, not quite.
Not quite. Do you want me to move?
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Okay. Do you guys remember what you say? Because Mum never does.
Hey peeps.
Yeah.
Hey peeps. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey peeps.
It is Sunday morning still, and we're just getting ready for the hangout. But we thought we'd come and say hi to the vlog first. I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I was having far too much fun. So yes, but look.
We're here in the Shan shed.
Yeah. It's so nice to see actual people in real life. So yeah, we're going to set up for the hangout now, and hopefully you guys have joined us because you're seeing this after that has happened. Fingers crossed for nobody unplugging the internet.
And I'm not just going to steal some fabric without her knowing.
No.
We're going to go shopping.
No. Hey peeps, happy Monday. I have busy bees. Many work. There's a Jojo back there. There's a Erica. There's a hand. There we go. Yeah, Rachel, Mum, and me. So there's a couple of people prepping second. Well, there's a person prepping a second bag for the retreat. There's a person prepping their first bag for the retreat. Mum and I are getting your one finished.
Yes.
And Erica's keeping us company, which is very nice of her.
I have finished all the sewing.
Yes.
It's only putting the handles together.
Yes, yes, it's a very beautiful.
I was frightened.
Just because, just wanting to make sure you got it right, because you did once do it unsupervised, and then you went a bit floopy, didn't you? So
Did you go rogue?
I went like that.
Oh. But then it would have sat on your arm there like that.
Yeah, well, that was my thinking, but then you can't open it, can you?
Yeah, there is that. I suppose.
Yeah. So I just thought I would, because I know I've not been vlogging very much over the last couple of days, so I thought I'd come in and update you with what we're doing, and that's it. So now we're going to get on. So hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in a bit. Things are progressing nicely in the sewing room. Mum's bag is finished, but we have left the little plastic bits on here for her to actually peel them off herself. I think I might bring you a little closer so you can thoroughly enjoy the, for anyone that watches Simply Now Logical, peel porn.
What even is that?
Do you not watch Simply Now Logical?
No.
Oh my gosh, she's so funny. She's a Canadian. She does nails, funnily enough.
Yeah.
But she's designed her a nail polish range. One of them is a peel off base coat, and she keeps all of the nail art and stuff she does. She keeps it in a baggie. It's very strange, but she is a very strange girl, bless her. She also works for the government as a statistical crime analysis or something.
Blimey.
She's very clever.
Oh, right.
Oh right. I'm not doing it. I wouldn't dream of it.
Oh.
God, this is just so enjoyable. We did try and make it so that it was easy to do.
We
and
did. But
that one was less satisfying. We'll come back to that one.
Yeah, we'll come back to that one. That's that. But these ones, look, they're all ready to go.
You say that. They were very stuck onto the gold, weren't they?
Yeah.
That was less satisfying than I thought it was going to be. We shall finish this off camera. But look how beautiful this bag is. And aren't you glad that I made you use your lining for another bag?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Well, if you don't like it, I'll have it. I've just realised I haven't ended the vlogs for the last couple of days. We have finished getting everything, well, they have finished getting everything cut out for the retreat tomorrow, so everyone's prepared. I have had such a lovely weekend. Oh my goodness, such a lovely weekend, such a happy birthday weekend. Yeah, and thank you so much to everybody that said happy birthday. It was really, really, really appreciated and so lovely. I am knackered, but I am also really excited for the retreat tomorrow. So it's a little bit of prep work this evening, then an early night, and then Mum and I will start prep tomorrow morning to get everything ready to greet everyone at 3:30 tomorrow afternoon. I'm so excited. It's been 2.5 years. I am so excited. I can't wait. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I have filmed over the last couple of days, and I will see you all very soon. Bye. Hey peeps, happy Tuesday. It is retreat day. So Mum and I have been prepping down in the sewing room all morning. Dad has just been and done the breakfast shopping for me for the self-catering accommodation. So let's show you what we're dealing with, and hopefully we can fit it all into our car. We have breakfast goodies and also towels and Papa's feet. And here are all the bags ready and prepped, as well as the sewing machines to be packed into the car. Wish us luck. Just need to put the food in, and we're doing that just before we leave. We have arrived. You ready to say hello? Hey peeps! We have all the way in the corner over there and all the way around here. We are very nearly at the end of day one. Is everyone enjoying themselves? Yes. Am I a taskmaster? Yes. Are you still going to come back again? Yes. Love you. Thank you. We'll pay you all later. Hey peeps, happy Wednesday. Welcome to the vlog. I have filmed a few little bits earlier, which you will have seen one, but there's another couple of looks at what I am wearing, which I'll put in now. Quick little outfit of the day. I've got on the 5951 Butterick dress, Hortensia cardigan, the Gucci-esque belt that I made, some snag tights and Joe Brown's heels. I am not intending on wearing these heels all day. I have got my fluffy slippers with me, but I thought I would put them on to go and have breakfast. Oh, and I've got one of me made scrunchies as well. No makeup today because my face is itching from yesterday and it's the gala dinner tonight and I want to wear makeup tonight. Another quick outfit of the day. This is the Vogue 8997 and this is the one that I did a sew along for, and I've not had a chance to wear it yet, so I'm wearing it this evening for the gala dinner, and it's in a viscose that I got from the textile centre quite a while ago. I'm going to see if I can do the night without my glasses on, but it feels really weird, so I might put them back on, and I obviously will put them on to drive in. I have flats on because the heels this morning I lasted about 4 hours in and then changed my mind, but I love this dress and it's so nice to have an actual opportunity to wear it. We are back at Larkin. We're a little bit early, but it's the gala dinner evening. I'm very much looking forward to it. So we've just finished our gala dinner evening. Everyone is looking fantastic, of course. Did you enjoy your evening? Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yes.
Excellent. There's been quite a lot of ends of nights to you from the bed in the dressing gown. I have still got my fancy earrings on though. These are lemon topaz and diamonds, darling. But we've just finished the gala night. I didn't get images of everyone's outfits, but oh my gosh, everyone looked wonderful. We had a lovely evening. It was very chilled this time. No games were played, but it was lovely. Very, very chilled indeed. We are going back for full day 2 of sewing tomorrow, which is awesome. I'm very much looking forward to it. We've got lots of bag linings finished today. Some people even finished 2. Some people are sewing 2 bags at the same time. The tote and the satchel handbag. But yeah, it's been absolutely lovely and just so nice to be back in the sewing room with lots of peeps and just having some fun. So I know I've only been filming little tiny bits here and there, so I hope you've enjoyed the little glimpses and snippets from the last couple of days. Not sure how much I'm going to film over the next couple of days. We shall see how that goes, but I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I did film, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!